And in this particular video tutorial, we'll be getting started with our conditionals with if statement in PHP. So in this video tutorial, we actually want to learn how to make use of the if statement in PHP, of course. So what you need to do is simply learn the format and get used to it. So this is just what it looks like. It's as simple as saying if. In this case, if is a keyword. So when you start with the keyword if, PHP program knows that you are about to specify a condition. Now, once you say if, this is followed by parenthesis or bracket, if you may. Within the parenthesis is a condition or conditions you would like to specify. So you are going to say within this parenthesis that this is this or that is that. So we are saying if this is this or that is that, then what should be done? That aspect is going to be covered within the curly bracket. What should actually be done? The actions to be performed, or if it is a single action to be performed once that condition has been met. Alright, I've done enough of the talking. I think you need to see this in action. And so at this point, we would like to design an age checker program. So what this program actually does is check if your age is actually 18 and above. If it is, it tells you you are an adult. So we get started by creating a variable age. Now we are going to set it to a value 19. Now, after that is done, then we can start our if statement. So we can say if. Remember, if is a keyword followed by the condition. What is the condition I would like to specify here? Is that age is greater than 17. Of course, any number greater than 17 will start from 18 and above. So we are saying if age is greater than 17. You remember we covered this greater than in the comparison operators video. Yes. So some people will call this relational operator, whatever you're comfortable with. This is simply a condition in PHP specified within the parenthesis. So if age is actually greater than 17, what should be done? This is going to be specified within the curly bracket. And within the curly bracket, all I simply want PHP to do for me is echo. Echo what? The following statement, which is you are an adult. I didn't spell you correctly, so I'll just take care of that. So that being said and done, all I need to do is save this and do the needful. You guys already know the needful. So if statement.php, I press enter and you see the result. You are an adult. Fairly simple. So this code is actually in effect here. Why? Because the number 19, which is set to age, is actually greater than 17. So at this point you may wonder, what if it's a number that is less than 17? I could, for example, come here and say 12, save this, and then refresh this. Oh my god, nothing happens. A blank screen. Why? Simply because we only have one condition here, and the condition is set to work if the age supplied is actually greater than 17. But in this case, we supplied a number that is less than 17. How do we take care of this? The next tutorial will actually answer that question. But for now, this is how simple it is to work with if statement in PHP. You can improve on this program by maybe adding your name to the program and outputting your name alongside whether you are an adult or not. So while you work on that, I'll see you in the next video tutorial.